This is how AI and tech are fighting wildfires. You might not realize it, but we're in the middle of wildfire season right now. And thanks to AI and drones, we have some pretty powerful tools to detect and combat these fires before they get out of control. One of the most valuable tools that we have is satellite imagery. By taking pictures of wildfires from space, we can track their growth and predict their behavior. This information is then used to create predictive models that help firefighters determine where the fire will go next and what resources they'll need to fight it. In addition to satellite imagery, real-time data analytics tools are being used to process vast amounts of information from various sources, including social media. This helps firefighters on the ground make better decisions about how to allocate their resources. We also have tools like thermal imaging cameras and IoT sensors that can detect fires at a much earlier stage when they are small and easy to put out. And there are a ton of other examples. Like Google's AI fire detection program, which uses machine learning to analyze satellite imagery and predict the spread of wildfires. There is also a wildfire prediction tool that uses data from various sources to give firefighters an early warning of an impending wildfire. All of these tools are just changing the way that we fight wildfires, and they are helping to save lives and property while also protecting our forests and wildlife. Hey, it's me. There's this really cool stuff going on where AI and drones are being used to fight wildfires. And it got me thinking about how we can use AI and drones to do more stuff like that. So here's how it works. First, there is a lot of talk about using AI to look at satellite imagery to detect changes in the land. Cover over time to identify where fires start and spread. One example of this is Google's AI fire detection program, which uses machine learning to analyze satellite images and identify areas that are at risk of wildfires. By doing this, firefighters can be alerted to the potential risk of fires in these areas and take the necessary precautions to prevent them from starting. Another tool that's being used is called Wildland Fire Potential Tool, or Wildfire. It uses a combination of satellite imagery, predictive models, and real-time data analytics to help firefighters make better decisions about how to allocate their resources. These tools are really helpful because they allow firefighters to see the big picture of what's going on with all the fires that are burning in a given area. This can help them to focus their resources where they are most needed, and to make more informed decisions about how to fight the fires. But that's not all. There are also some really cool tools out there that use things like thermal imaging cameras and IoT sensors to detect fires in real time. For example, one company is developing a drone-based system that uses thermal imaging cameras to detect the heat signature of a fire, and then transmits that information to firefighters on the ground. This system can help firefighters to quickly identify the location and intensity of a fire, which can be really helpful in guiding their response efforts. Another company has developed a network of IoT sensors that can be deployed in areas that are at risk of wildfires. These sensors can detect things like temperature, humidity, and wind speed and direction, all of which can contribute to the ignition and spread of a wildfire. By collecting this data, firefighters can get a better understanding of the conditions that are contributing to the wildfire and take steps to mitigate those risks. So there's a lot of really cool stuff going on in the world of wildfire management, and it is really exciting to see how AI and drones are being used to help firefighters do their jobs more effectively. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. IT Samurai Teacher for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.